I'm looking for a pair of basketball shoes. Nice sock. Oh, what are these? I've never seen these before. Wait a minute. CMUO. What are these? Oh, why does it say Cosmic on the interior? Oh, I think these are Nike Cosmic Unity basketball shoes. I think these are worn by Anthony Davis. I mean, look at that smooth Nike logo. And this is like fine knit material. Oh man, it looks like Shook's propulsion jet stream on the back. Let's go ahead and check this out. This looks exclusive. Alright, so I actually wore my Reebok pumps today. Let me go pump it up for you guys. So compare the two. What do you guys think? This looks more exclusive. Introducing the Nike Cosmic Unity Amalgam basketball shoes. I believe Anthony Davis wore this in the 2021 season. As you can see, this is the, I would say like the universe colorway because I'm loving this color. So the specifics is actually the black, white, and bright crimson. This debuted back in March 7 of 2021. The Cosmic Unity Amalgam reflects how a collection of individual actions can lead to a better future for all. It's constructed with recyclable material by weight and features a full-length, partially recycled air zoom strobo, a crater foam midsole made in part from Nike grind, and a durable, lightweight upper. This multicolor silhouette was designed for the All-Star with a quick first step, but created for anyone looking to take the first step towards a more sustainable game. So there you have it. What makes it special is that it's made of recyclable material. It helps to save the environment and Earth. Let's go ahead and check it out. I am loving that nylon, kind of like an interwebbing, kind of like Morales Spider-Man design, which makes it lightweight and highly breathable. You got a subtle Nike. This is backwards. Is this backwards swoosh? Shouldn't it be that way? But anyway, multicolor round shoelaces, Cosmic logo right there. That looks awesome right there. You got a enlarged Nike. This feels like a plastic, kind of almost like a molding, kind of like the Foamposite type of molding. Large swoosh similar to the Giannis Antetokounmpo. Yeah, pronounce it right. Yeah, butcher it. And you have these three kind of like a bubble units. At least it looks like in the design. It gives you that like a Reebok DMX look right there. And what makes this awesome on the back, you got this hole. It kind of reminds you like a black hole. I think that's what they were going for. I really like this. They definitely gave a lot of fashion sense into this design with this. I think this means Cosmic Unity 1. I think they're up to 3 now. All right, so each year releasing a new one. You got the strap to help you get in and out, enlarged one. And look at the outsole. You see the interweaving, kind of like a Wonder Woman design, which provides the traction. And you see kind of like a unit, you can see like translucent inside in the interior. And here's what the inside looks like. Well, what's this inside plane? I'll just start calling it inside plane. It says Cosmic right here, another swoosh logo. And then looking at the insole, it says, it doesn't say anything, but it gives you that mind to mind, like telekinesis, like Professor X. So let's see if the insole is removable. No, it's not. It's glued down pretty tough. And it's looking real nice. And just for you guys, I'm going to use this thermometer to measure the hardness. How soft is it for impact control? Oh, I just noticed this Nike Earth Mission. That is cool. Sounds like it's a comic book. All right, let's give a reading right here. So it looks like that's about, that's good right there. Check it out. Looking at it from the front, I just realized you got the kind of like a infinity logo right there, going towards infinity to the universe. And you got the backward Nike swoosh on the other side. No way, they got a Cosmic Unity 3s? I'm not digging this color or design. I mean, this is like a grandma wallpaper design. It looks like a sweater. It's opposed to the ones, man. These are about the size of RC boat. Which you guys like more, the 3s or the 1s? Personally, I like the 1s better. Wow, I am quite enamored by this futuristic design of a pair of basketball shoes. I am falling in love with the colorway, first of all. Once you put it on your feet, it feels a little bit snug at first, especially around the ankle area, but it needs to be broken into because it's a brand new pair of shoes. But once you have it on, you're going to be shocked because it's going to take you to another dimension of styling, futuristic styling. As you can see, I am quite blown away by the unique style. The appearance, I give it an 8 out of 10. Now, once you get to the comfort performance, which is next up on the review scale, it fits pretty much true to size. Slightly snug at first, but it needs to be broken in two. You can wear this as an everyday pair of sneakers because now it seems like a lot of people are doing that with basketball shoes. So it acts as a sneaker or even a training pair of basketball shoes you use at the court, indoor or outdoors. And walking up and down stairs is no problem. So it doesn't feel too heavy. It's pretty much light on the feet. Comfort for performance. It's good because whether you any type of surface, whether you are indoors or even at the hardwood, it gives you great stability and traction control, featuring enough of the midsole unit to give you that bounce that you need to jump up and down if you do slam dunks or just with whatever position that you may play, whether it be the guard position, forward, or even the center. I mean, heck, even Anthony Davis was wearing and sponsoring it, so you know the comfort performance is there. So comfort performance, I give it a 7.5 out of 10. Now, when it comes to value, since this is the beginner model, Cosmic Unity 3 is out right now, so making this should be more affordable, making it cheaper, because after all, the 3s are in, the value is there. I give it a 7. Now, if you do the math properly, that gives you a 7.5 out of 10. That's a pretty nice score for the Cosmic Unity ones. So you're looking for a pair of futuristic looking basketball shoes that looks nice and good for the feet. Definitely give the Cosmic Unity ones a look.